Action.
Alright guys, so the time has come where we're gonna try this product. The Kicker C12, the 12-inch subwoofer on the Kicker line. So, now you guys are asking, why are we doing this? Because look, this guy cannot perform exactly the same in this box as the Jensen because they are not the same woofer. So technically, there has to be a difference. So yes, this one comes in an enclosure already, but we haven't done that one yet. So if we're gonna try this one in this enclosure and see.
This is the buildable enclosure.
Is it
by
better?
Scotch?
This thing does only supposedly 300 watt peak. Now the RMS on this thing is supposed to be 150. Isn't this thing 240? So isn't this thing gonna blow it then?
No, I don't blow it.
It's 240. Well, we're gonna be pushing this thing, and that thing spikes at 1200. Wait, so what does that mean? Is it gonna blow this? It can't possibly blow it.
No.
Well, all right, guys. Anyways, we're gonna find out if it blows it or not. Hopefully, it doesn't though, because if it does, I can't return this. Oh, about the price. Let me see. Sorry. The price on this thing, guys. Okay, so this thing costed $93 flat, of course plus tax, but so $93 flat. That was definitely more expensive than the Jensen. What's the Jensen one?
Jensen one was like 41.
I have the receipt right here.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. It cost 41, so nearly double the price. Ooh.
Better perform.
It better perform better than the Jensen, or else we're not gonna get the Kicker. We're gonna have to get the Jensen as a better performance. They just saw my ID, huh? So I'm gonna have to repeat that.
No.
Okay, so anyways, we're gonna have to repeat that. So this thing costs 90. Did I say 93 or 94?
They didn't see your ID.
Did you see my ID?
No.
Okay. You liar.
No, they did.
They're gonna come and sock me in my house. But anyways, guys, so you guys get it. So this thing is double the price of the regular Jensen. We're gonna put this thing to the test in the same enclosure and see what it does. And we'll be right back. We're not gonna show how to do it, guys. It's very simple. It's just like 5 8-bolts, the same way you slap this on. I think we have a video somewhere right here, and you guys can go check that out. All right, guys, we forgot the unboxing.
Always forgetting, dude. I have to remind him.
This time, I think we both forgot. Uh-oh. Ooh, look at that. So you can cut it and measure it.
I know you guys see that EF in the background.
Wow! Comes with Kicker stickers. One of you guys commented if it comes with it. Well, look at this. It indeed comes with this single 12-inch. Look at that. 2 stickers. Comes with the specs.
Don't care.
Ooh, comes with this ring.
Wait, stop. Kicker's tech support.
Can assist you. No, they can't. No, this one's nice.
Wow, look at that big chungus.
Nah. Are we even have enough power? Look at this.
Well,
nah, this metal magnet, dude. This is like. This looks like one of those like Pro Series ones.
Is this gonna be brutal?
I think we're gonna burn this. No, we'll probably. No, we wouldn't burn the amplifier. The amplifier has enough. Or would it? Dude, look at this. This is monstrous.
Nah, they just make it look like that. Come on, it's all for show, guys.
It's all for show, dude.
That's why it costs that much, just because all this like show. Like, what is all this? Like, why?
It's a C10 comp.
But why do they make? Why all this like? I
want to say competition, but someone said it wasn't competition. They got mad at me for saying that. But I want to say it's Kicker competition.
Yeah.
Because why else would they put comp? Comp for what?
Comp for what?
So look at this super heavy duty rubber ring. It's got these like things here. Nice tone. I like this. Look, this ring is built in. The quality on this, it looks like it's pretty good.
Yeah.
So now we just got to see performance because it is double the price. So we'll see, you know, who wins on this one.
We'll see.
We'll see. All right. We have to blow it. So we're going to put one song just so we can have music in here as we're putting the subwoofer. We didn't even test if it's on.
Well, we're just find out right now.
And the rest of the songs, we're gonna do like big bass songs, only because we just want one song so you guys can hear some music. Está poniendo caliente aquí dentro. No sound whatsoever, just bass.
Pure
That
bass.
is a great adjustment. Now we're gonna put some big bass songs.
Blast it for a bit. Blast it. Let it get cold in here.
It's because, guys, and where we're at, it's starting to get really hot, and this car was outside in the hot sun
All
exposed.
day, and it's black.
And we just got inside to make the video quickly, so you can imagine we're inside an oven right now. Now for one of the most brutal bass songs. We're gonna have to put more. We're just putting this one because we always put this one. Yo! Hey, it makes more. Nah, it makes more.
Yeah, yeah. This is literally making my face vibrate.
No way. No, yeah, that's the difference. See, there was a difference with the cone, just the woofer itself. Nah, it's definitely stronger. Has to be. It has to be stronger.
It is, dude. It is. I won't know.
I feel it like the other one in my ears, but I feel like I feel more like tremble now.
Yeah,
like,
dude.
here we go.
God damn, dude. Dude, we gotta show the outside,
Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna show the outside. I'm gonna show them the mirror right now.
dude. The mirror doesn't move as much anymore because I timed it, but
Holy smokes, this thing is brutal.
it's hella nice. Damn.
Wow, brutal. Put some like a Post Malone, just so they have an idea. Well, we're telling you guys what we're gonna be playing now, but we're not gonna play the song because, of course, it's copyright and we're gonna get in trouble. Bass drop.
No, keep it on more, dude. God damn.
Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, we're inside of an oven. We just straight up got it from out there and we put it inside here and we jumped in. This is Post Malone cooped up.
Watch us get copyrighted because of the vibrations.
You think so? I don't think so.
You physically can't hear the music.
No,
dude.
they can't. They can't hear the music. Oh, it's just the beat.
It's
You
just-
can't get copyright for the
Literally,
beat.
watch us get copyrighted.
I mean, it's really strong.
What's he saying? I'm about to pull up. Oh, I shouldn't even say it.
Yeah, start singing to it. Ooh. Yo. That sounds like it's gonna pop the speaker.
It does, dude.
Ooh. This is Summer Nights by Lil Rob. We're kind of putting a mixture of a lot of songs. Yeah, this thing is brutal, dude.
But it does that, dude. It sounds like it's gonna pop.
It sounds like it's gonna
Like it's
pop.
gonna overextend. Dude, we gotta show them outside the car, dude.
Show outside of the car now?
Yeah. Which one to go?
Holy smokes, this thing is so loud, powerful too. Oh my god.
Alright.
They can hear the nukes from outside.
Alright.
Oh, so we're outside now?
Yeah,
Or
outside.
should we show the speaker? We haven't even shown the woofer. Be outside. What it looks like. What song is this?
Project Pat.
Project Pat,
Life
guys.
We Live.
Life We Live. Oh, I know what that is. Oh, that song. You guys know what that song is. That. Oh, it hasn't started yet. That's why. trying to get this out with Summer Nights. This is the outside. Just so they know what it sounds like outside. Tuna! Alright, here we go. We're changing the song a little bit just because the other one. Oh, Lord!
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, I know it's definitely stronger.
Inside the car is way brutal, dude.
Inside of the car, yeah.
But one of the setup sides where you can hear it from outside. Right here, you just hear the car vibrating.
But they have their windows down too. And they have volume something better. Oh my God. Well, that's what it sounds like outside, guys. So now you have an idea of what it's gonna sound like. Shaking, yeah. Alright, so we listened to a few songs with bass. We listened to a song with audio. And remember, this is a subwoofer video, so we're trying to get more bass than audio. When it comes to speakers, we do audio, but we gave you guys more bass, so that's why you didn't hear more music, but that's all you guys care about, just bass. But now we're gonna give our final opinions. So, I'm gonna start off saying this right now, dude, because in the previous video where we did the Jensen, we started comparing the Jensen to the other kicker. We can't do that because the other kickers are a built-in subwoofer with a built-in amplifier, so that's a different category. But now, right now, this battle is between kicker and the Jensen subwoofer. So there's only two. So ignore what we said in the past. Now we're starting a new section. The final opinions, guys. We rated the very first setup of this Jensen with the 4-channel amplifier an 8. We rated finally the last one that was the same setup but just a monoblock amplifier an 8.5. I wanted you to say it. And now, guys, this one, we don't know what we're going to rate it yet. But, I mean, I'm going to let Dilly say his opinion.
All right away. This is double the price. I'm over here about the prices. Always about price, okay? This is already double the price for this subwoofer. Look, if you got that extra money, go ahead and upgrade to this kicker because this kicker bangs.
Go ahead.
It definitely does bang more. But if you're in a budget, Jensen right away because you can't go bad with the Jensen. It freaking bangs with this monoblock. You have to get this monoblock. Okay,
have to.
Don't get the 4-channel. You don't need it. You need the monoblock. The monoblock will pick up these things like nothing.
The only thing is that they're hard to find.
They're hard to find because those go like right away.
At least in our Walmart.
Yeah, in our Walmart. But
yeah, I mean,
rating? My rating? Dang, dude, I don't know because I don't know about.
Because the price is the only thing that's getting me. Because look, it was stronger. I'll tell you that right now. Comparing this woofer, just the woofer, the kicker, and the Jensen, the kicker was definitely stronger. So the woofer won on that. Which one had more thump and more bass overall? The kicker had more. But of course, we're talking about budget video, guys. So this is where we're pushing budget video stuff. So I'm gonna put the price right here of how much it costed, and right here the difference between the kicker and the Jensen one, and you guys can see which one here. But definitely the Jensen one's gonna be cheaper. So that's the budget you guys are looking at, comparing it to the kicker, which I don't know. I'm just trying to assume right now in my head, but you guys will see it here.
It is a little bit more than double.
It is more than double. Because the other one, I do know that the Jensen one costed 41.
And this one was 93.
Almost what 2 is worth.
So I don't know if it's worth getting another Jensen.
Ooh, kind of like going back to that Jensen and kicker on the built-in subwoofer one.
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth getting double of these ones, or sorry, of Jensen instead of getting the single kicker. I don't know.
All over again. But for sure, it does have more bass, guys. A kicker continues to have more bass than Jensen. But of course, Jensen competes though and sticks around for a like cheaper price.
Dude, they want to know the rating. What's the what's the rating? Dude, I don't even know, dude. I think I'm just gonna stick with an 8.5 or maybe 9, dude. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, Dilly? What do you think?
I don't want to use odd numbers. We're not doing no 8.3 stuff, dude. But it like
this
makes
is
me want
8.6.
No! I don't know, dude. Like, it's because the bass was really good, but the price. So I feel like fudge,
Do
dude.
you think you'd give it an 8, huh?
I think I'm gonna give it an 8.
I knew it. I knew you were gonna give it a little.
But look, it's not that I don't like it, guys. Just listen. We're talking about budget
I
here.
know the budget.
Now, if you guys don't care about budget, then I'd rate this better. I'd rate this a 9 when it comes to no budget.
Yeah.
But we're talking about budget, so that's what we've always rated all our stuff with: budget and quality.
Yeah, we're putting everything in mind, guys.
But no, yeah, I'm gonna have to go with an 8 just because this one is double the price. However, it beats it has more bass, that's for sure. You want more bass? You have $40 more. Go ahead, buy the kicker. You won't be disappointed. But if in case you don't have those extra $40, but you still want your car to break plastics, well, get the Jensen. It'll work.
So,
So-
it's gonna loosen all the plastics. All of them.
Well, what do you think, Dylan?
Yeah, I mean, I think I'm gonna give it.
You can rate something different,
No,
dude.
I'm gonna give it the same. Like
Only because of the
8.5.
price.
I think I'm gonna give it like an 8.5, dude.
8.5?
8.5. I'm gonna keep it the same because I feel like it's a tie
Okay.
in my book.
See,
I don't know.
This is what has to happen.
I don't
Because
know,
in the
but-
comment section, no, this is it's. I love it, dude. It's war. But anyways,
Yeah,
dude,
it was a good subwoofer.
It
a good
was.
subwoofer.
now we must try more. We must finish Walmart's.